Sir Uppa, and today I'm going to show you how to properly join two bits of wood. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark out our measurements. First thing we're going to do is we're going to draw two lines, and then we're going to draw matching lines on the next bit of wood. Now we're going to cut these bits out, so then we can draw in our bits of woods exactly like that. Now it's time to cut out our shapes. So let's grab our saw. I've lost my saw. Can any of you see my saw? No? Let's go find it. I still can't find my saw. Can you see it down here? No? Neither can I. Let's check inside. Now, can anyone see saw in here? I'm kidding, I know. There's actually not enough room to actually see saw in here. But has anyone seen my saw? Oh, there it is. Now we just need to cut out the shapes in our pieces of wood. Has anyone seen them?